In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider the top 3 online business ideas to make money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider the top 3 ideas to earn money online. And these are online business ideas. So that means that you can literally start it with almost no investment, but you need to take something really important into consideration. These are business models that works, but you need to treat this as a business. You're going to have the potential to earn some extra cash. Is that what you're looking for? Or you are going to have the potential to earn even 6 figures per year or even per month. But at the end of the day, the results are going to depend on you. They're going to depend on your work ethic. I know that there are people out there who are looking to earn, some extra cash. There are others who are looking to replace their 9 to 5 because they are tired. At the end of the day, the shows is actually yours. Okay. So let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're actually going to be on the same page. Choose one. Okay. I'm going to share with you three, but please choose one, stick with it so you can get the most results. Okay. Don't be jumping from opportunity to opportunity because that's another reason why people are not getting the results that they deserve. Because as I mentioned before, it's really easy to join this online business. And, but because of that, it's also really easy to be captured with the shiny object syndrome. Okay. The very first one is with the faceless affiliate marketing. Literally, you can create an Instagram account like this one in which you're not going to be showing your face and you're going to be promoting your favorite products. Okay. Also, you're going to have a YouTube account. Is that what you're looking for? Okay. It's the same concept. They're promoting their favorite products. They're not showing themselves on camera. And most of the time, they are not even talking. Here also, you're going to have a TikTok account, okay, in which is the same. You don't have to show your face. And as you can notice, you can do what we call short form content videos and you can get a lot of views. Okay. You can actually get a lot of views and you can use the same content that you create and upload it to this platform. So that means like, for example, you can create a content on TikTok and you can upload the same content on Instagram and you can upload the same content on YouTube. So you're going to have more exposure. Okay. Because remember that chances are that there are people who are going to discover you on TikTok, but there are also those who discover you on Instagram and there are also those who discover you on YouTube. What affiliate marketing is? This is the very first time you're hearing that concept. Is basically we are promoting other people products and services. Nowadays, more than 80% of the companies do have an affiliate program. So someone here have a product, someone here is looking for that product, okay? And here you are. You're going to tell that person like, hey, are you looking for more information about this product? How you can solve this problem? Here, check this information. In this case, it's going to be short form videos. And if they make a purchase, you're going to be earning a commission. The customer is not going to pay you extra. Most of the time, they don't know that they are using affiliate links. And most of the time, because of your recommendation, they do have the willingness, to make the purchase because they're crystal clear, like, hey, this actually worked for this. I was not aware that this actually helped me with XYZ. Okay. The most profitable online niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay. But as you can notice here, you can also go and promote uh, any kind of physical products, any kind of digital products. That doesn't mean like, hey, you need to stick with the niche that I told you. Okay. I'm telling you this because, for example, I have friends that they are promoting mattresses. Yeah, you're right. They're selling those online. Okay. And as you can see, there is actually a great opportunity. So I know that I already mentioned that the most profitable online niches are health, wealth, and relationships, but that doesn't mean that those are the only niches that you can go. Okay. And chances are that you already have products at home that you're using on a daily basis, and they do have an affiliate program, but maybe you just don't know. Literally, you can just Google the name of the product or the brand plus affiliate program, and you're going to have access to it. Okay. Also, one of the most popular affiliate programs out there, it's Amazon, but that's not the only program. There are different marketplaces such as ClickBank in which you can find different products to promote. My recommendation, guys, is like, is you can see, you can put your link here on Instagram. You can put your link here on YouTube, and also you can put your link here on TikTok. Okay. If you really want to have more opportunities to earn way more money, I suggest you to create what we call a simple two-step funnel, which is basically we are asking for people's name and email address. And after that, you can change them directly to a product page. With this, we're going to have the opportunity to send them more products or services that are going to be helping them. And you're going to have more opportunities to earn more commissions. Okay, how you can actually create this? Don't worry. Nowadays, with the technology, it's actually pretty simple. I'm going to be leaving a link below to System.io. With System.io, literally, you can create a free account. You're going to go here where it says websites. You're going to click here where it says sales funnels, and you're going to have a lot of templates that you can choose from. Okay, so it's really easy. It's really simple. And this is a drag and drop funnel builder. It's also an all-in-one marketing solution. So you're going to have the opportunity to send emails, and you are going to be able to automate the email sequence. So that means that it doesn't matter if someone look for the information at 2 a.m., the system is going to be doing everything for you. Okay. So that's something actually really important. And I can tell you that this is actually a business model that works. Affiliate marketing is definitely a business model that works. When I started with it, I actually was looking to earn, you know, like $300 extra. Uh, this is to keep it short, my story. I have a previous online business model. Unfortunately, I suffered a scam. So I had to find two full-time jobs. Okay, I have to find two full-time jobs. I was barely making it because I had a lot of debt because I'm a scam. If you have some experience with, you know, credit cards, loans, and all the stuff, you know that the banks, they don't care who actually use the money. It is everything under your name. You are the one who is responsible. So that's what's my thing. I had these two full-time jobs. I was earning good money, but because I do have these debts, I could not, I was barely making it. I was surviving. So I was looking to do something extra, and I was looking to do something that do not consume me a lot of time because, hey, getting a third job wasn't an option. Okay. So I was able to replace two full-time jobs, and I was able to pay my debts. Okay. So this actually works. But at the end of the day, remember, I'm going to show you the three business models, but you need to stick to it. Okay. By the way, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Now, what's the second way in which you can actually earn money online? If you're really creative, you can go with print on demand. The cool thing about print on demand is that you can create your designs. It doesn't need to be something complicated. I'm going to show you some examples in a moment. It can only be just text, and you don't need to do an investment upfront. What I mean by that is that print on demand works like this. Someone purchases your product. Okay. This can be a t-shirt, a hoodie, you know it. Okay. And then you are going to reach the company who is providing you the print on demand service. And this company is going to be sending your customer, okay, it's supposed to be a package. Well, let's do it way more like an envelope. Okay, this company is going to be sending the customer your product already printed on what they want. If they want a tumbler, if they want a t-shirt, hoodie, there are tons of products. Okay. But you don't need to pay this company front. Okay. The customers pays you, you pay them, and the difference here is actually your profit. Okay. But you are responsible for taking payments and all this stuff. I'm going to show you how you can actually do this. Okay. So that's some of the things that you need to take into consideration. There are two websites that I have used in the past to provide that they provide me this service. One of them is called Printful. As you can see, they have a lot of products that you can actually go. Yeah, they do offer fast delivery. They have different warehouse at the time recording this video. One of them is in the US, another one is in Europe. Okay, so it the they're gonna be sending the product from the one that is closest to your customer. Okay, and literally you can customize it. You can upload your design. You're gonna have your mock-up. Uh, it's actually really, really good the way how Printful works for you. Another, um, you know, um, print-on-demand provider, it's called Printify. Okay, Printify also have different warehouses. Okay, and literally you can customize the one. As I mentioned before, literally you're going to start with zero investment. This is basically a nutshell. You're going to select the product. You are going to add the design. You're going to start selling. Okay. So this is actually how it actually works. They also provide really good looking mock-ups. So you're going to have the opportunity to earn with this business model. Okay. Where you can actually sell these products. Okay. Option number one, you can create your own store. For example, here on System.io, you can have it here where it says physical products. You're going to download the mockup that you're going to be creating on Printful or Printify, put your description, upload the mockup, um, put your price. Okay. Remember that they're going to be your profit margins. Okay. And you can actually have your own store up and running on System.io. Also, you can upload it to Amazon, but also you can have your own store on Etsy. Okay, here in actually an example. One thing that you need to understand, because I know that chances are that you're going to be wondering, like, Dana, but this is 50% off. So that means that Etsy control my prices. No, Etsy did not control your prices. You are the one who are going to set up your price. And if you want to be running a discount, you can actually do it. Check on this one, okay? Because this is what I want to show you. Like, you don't have to do really complicated designs. And if for some reason you don't want to design them, you can go to websites such as Fiverr and you can hire a designer there for an affordable price so you can start, your own print on demand. Um, business. Okay. The more designs you have, the more opportunities you're going to have to earn money with this business model. Okay. But I want to show you like, hey, this is actually possible. This is a possibility for everybody. The thing with Etsy and the difference between having everything on System.io, it's that Etsy, it's a marketplace. Okay. So they're going to take care of most of the things. You don't need to set up your own store. But to be honest, I do have some experience with this. And at the end of the day, you can use both. But I strongly suggest you to have your own store because you're going to have more control over it. You're going to have more opportunities because you're going to have less competition. Okay. So the third business model that you can go with is uh, literally creating your personal brand, like the one that I have. You're going to have the opportunity to have multiple streams of income because literally with your personal brand, you can go and you can do affiliate marketing. You can go and you can also do print on demand, just like Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast have their own items. You are also going to have the opportunity to get paid, for example, from YouTube, get paid from TikTok, monetize Instagram, to be a brand ambassador. Is that what you're looking for? And sometimes you just don't look for it. Sometimes just the companies approach you. You're going to have the opportunity to promote different products, different service. But I know that at the beginning it can be kind of, I don't know, there are people who are actually shy and maybe you don't want to be in front of camera. So that's the reason why I start with faceless affiliate marketing and print on demand, because sometimes people just don't want to be in front of camera and sometimes they cannot be in front of camera. But if you can give yourself to create your personal brand, I can tell you that it's actually really, really powerful. It's a really great way to connect with people, and it gives you, as I told you before, multiple streams of income, multiple opportunities. But again, choose one of these, start just with it, stick to it. Okay. And if you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.